This is an Elizabeth High School instructional video on how to register for the 2011-2012 school year. Log into the Infinite Campus portal and click on the registration link. It is in bold on the left-hand side of the page. Once you click on the link, it'll open up the registration menu. The first thing to do is to click on the course search. You can search courses either by name or by number. In this video we're going to go ahead and search by name. The first course I'm going to sign this student up for is chemistry. So I type in just the first few letters of the course name. If you type in too many letters and make a spelling error, nothing will show up. So if I were to make a mistake, nothing would show up. But just by typing in part of the course name, I get all courses that have the word chem in it. So I'm going to sign up for first and second semester of chemistry. Click on first semester. That's a course, the -1 at the end. Notice all first semester courses are even. All second semester courses are odd. But they also have a -1 or -2 to signify first semester or second semester at the end of the name. So I'm going to request this course. Then I'm going to search again so I can add the second semester course, chemistry -2. And request it again. Note here that under units it now has 2 units, or in other words 2 courses being selected. In order for a student to have a full schedule, they must select 16 courses, or 16 units. 8 first semester, 8 second semester. If a student is taking off hours, they too need to be requested as a course, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. I'm now going to select an English class. Since I am registering for a student who would be a junior, I'm going to go ahead and select Lit and Composition 300, first semester. I've added it. And second semester. Notice this list is incomplete. If I come over to the scroll bar, I can get the full list of courses. Now I'm going to go ahead and search for a math class. I'm going to choose pre-calculus. And both semesters. In order to select off hours, just type in off and it'll bring up the list of all the off hours. Since courses cannot be selected twice, if a student has 2 off hours, in the same semester, they can't select off hour twice. That's why they're listed as first off hour, second off hour, and third off hour. For this student, I'm going to select an off hour first semester, so that's the -1, and I'll request it as a course. And I'll do the same for second semester, first off hour, second semester, -1. Now if I was a senior and going to take more than 1 off hour each semester, I could choose a second off hour first semester, or I could choose a second off hour second semester, and even a third off hour second semester. So I've gone ahead and jumped ahead to show a complete schedule. You notice that there are 16 units listed, which means 8 courses, 8 first semester, and the 8 courses second semester. When you are done registering for classes, you should go ahead and count to make sure you have 8 -1s and 8 -2s to make sure your courses are complete. The other thing you should consider is making sure you put in your alternate courses. So let's say I want to consider taking Theater 1 as an alternate. I can request this course as an alternate and it shows up down here. You want to make sure you have 2 alternate selections each semester. It's important to do this because if the courses aren't selected, if you have not selected alternate courses, registration process will be much more difficult, and counselors will have to choose alternate courses for you if they have not been selected. This concludes this instructional video. If you have any questions or you need help, please come see the counseling office at Elizabeth High School and they'll help you with any needs you have. Thank you.